Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We have h of x plus 3 equals x squared plus 2x plus 5. And we want to find h of x. So the domain of this equation is x plus 3, and we're trying to reduce it to x. So how can we do this? It's very simple, as I'm going to be using two methods to solve this. So if you consider this as a solution from here, so if this is method 1, so for the first method, so I'm going to use form manipulation method to solve this. So considering h of x equals, so we have x squared plus 2x plus 5, so which is the given questions. Then, so this is not factorizable, so we cannot factorize this. So as if this is, so we have this as h plus 3. So we have this as h of x plus 3. So equals, we have this as x squared plus, so here is 2x plus. So I can break this 5 into the sum of 1 and 4. So having this, so we proceed by writing h of x plus 3. So this equals, so if I combine this together, so we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. So all this in bracket, so plus 4. So having this, so we consider these 2x as the sum, and here is just like the product. So we look for two numbers. If you add it, we get 2, and if you multiply it, we get 1. And the two numbers are just, if you have 1 plus 1, that is 2. And if you have 1 times 1, that is 1. So we are going to replace this as, if this 3 remain, h of x plus 3 equals, so we write this as x squared plus, so instead of that one, we change it to x plus x. So since it's having x as a variable, then plus also 1 times 1, that is 1. So we bracket this. So and here is plus 4. So in the next step, we have h of x plus 3. So this equals, so we combine this together and also combine this together. So which is x squared plus x, and also we have x plus 1. So plus 4 at this side. Then here we have h of x plus 3 equals, so what is coming here is x. We factor out x, and we have x plus 1 in the bracket. Also plus, when we take out 1 here, in this we have x plus 1. So then plus 4. So trying to show the full way of factorizing this, so we have h of x plus 3 equals, so we combine this together as x plus 1 and also multiply by x plus 1. So plus 4 at this side. So then here is what we have. And look at this domain. Our domain says x plus 3. And here is x plus 1. This is also x plus 1. We are trying to make everything to be x plus 3. So what we do here is, we just try and form manipulate this. If this is h of x plus 3 equals, instead of x plus 1, so we can just write it as x plus 3 here. And the original values here is x plus 1. So which means we have to subtract 2 from here. And this gives us x plus 1. So what I'm going to do here is, this is just like twice. Instead of writing another one, so I'm just going to take this as squared. So here is plus 4. So after having this, so here still remain h of x plus 3. So we are going to replace it with x only, since we need h of x. So and we have x plus 3 here, x plus 3 here, and we have replaced it with x. So definitely this one will also have the effect of x minus 2 raised to power of 2. So here is plus 4. So then we'll try to expand this. we have h of x equals, so the expansion of this becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4. So and here is also plus 4. So therefore we have h of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 8. So this is the formula of h of x for these functional equations. So we consider this as first method of solving this. So let's see another method and see which one is more easy and more effective to solve. So we have, so for the second method here, so we consider this as method 2. So for method 2, we are going to use substitution method. So in this domain, we know our domain here is x plus 3. So if I replace this domain, so if I let it equals to t, so I'm going to make x the subject of the formula from here. So by doing that, we have x equals t minus 3. And from the given questions, we need 2x. So which means by multiplying out this with 2, we have 2x equals 2t minus 6. And also from here we need x squared. So we have x equals to t minus 2. So by squaring both sides, we have x squared equals t minus 3 squared. So here we have our x squared equals, by expanding this, it becomes t squared minus 6t plus 9. So let's try and substitute this one and this one in the given questions. So where we have our h of x plus 3 becomes h of t. So this is now in terms of t, equals our x squared is t squared minus 6t plus 9. So also plus 2x is now 2t minus 6. So then plus constant, which is 5. So having this, we have h of t equals, here is t squared. So we have minus 6t plus 2t, that is minus 4t. So here we have plus, here is 9 and here is 6. So here gives us 9 minus 6, that is 3. Then 3 plus 5, that is 8. So we have this in terms of t. Let's try and replace t with x. So here we have h of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 8. So we get the same answer as the first one. So this is the only two methods I think we can use to solve this. If you have another one, you can drop it in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.